What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna make you a brand new video. As you can see, just now in my room, a purple door for reals, for reals. What? I'm like, what the heck is that? Okay. So today, it's about to. I'm gonna reveal my fidget cube I got today. I kind of opened it already. So on the side it says, click, spin, flip, guide, roll, and breathe. So if you guys, when I got this, I was like, what does breed mean? I'll show you guys later. Okay. So back, home, classwork, fidget cube. So top, fidget cube. Okay. Open it. Just open it from here. Open it. And then you get a flap or something. Tells you about the fidget cube. So here's, boom, boom. Tells you about the information and stuff. And then you actually need to, once you open this, you actually need to take a piece out. This piece is pretty hard. Right there. Looks like this. It holds the flap. Okay. And then you get the fidget cube. And then you get this foamy piece for the fidget cube. I'm gonna run and get something, compare it. And I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I got my dog. What's up, girl? I go ahead. Dang, she's a barker. Close my door. Okay. What I got for reals is my brother's fidget cube. So starting off, sorry guys. I just need to take a breath. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you have the joysticks. This one's rubber, this one's plastic. This one can click. This is not mine. And this one can't. This one cannot click. This one overall feels, I think, yeah, kind of better. This is not really a review, it's versus. So, yeah. So, you got this. I feel like this is better. This one is like, doesn't have feeling in it. Next, the breather. Okay, this is a breather, okay? So, you just put your thumb and then just do this. And then it helps, it helps you calm down. So, here's, this one, again, is, rubber. Yeah, rubber. I need to get in my mind. Okay. So this is rubber. This is like plastic. So overall, this one's more deep. This one is like shoo, like that. So this one feels a lot better. The whole thing of this is rubber. This one is like plastic. The whole thing. So you got that. So this one's better. Okay. Okay. Now you got the, how do you call it? The buttons? Yeah, okay. So, okay, let's start with this fidget cube. These two can work, the middle one can, but these two can't. These two doesn't make noise, which is weird to me. But on this one, it's plastic, and these are rubber, so these are plastic. But all of them click. So, this one, and this one. All of them click. And by the way, this one has a thing that you can like put like you can wear. Like you put like a little string and then you can tie around your neck and it'll be like a little like lanyard for this. But still this one I don't know why they didn't do these two. Maybe it's on purpose. I think it's on purpose. Maybe it is. Yeah. And yeah. Next is the ball rolling thing and these stuff. Okay. So first of all, we're just gonna call these the spikes. So this one on the spike, this one feels like it doesn't click. It doesn't click when you move it. So when you do that, it doesn't click. But then on this one, you have to use some force and it clicks. You hear that? Yeah. And then this ball, it rolls fine. And this ball rolls really good because it's new, yeah. But then it can also click. This is my favorite feature. I just love it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I can't stop. This one can't. See, it'd be like, ow. Okay, so next, the light switcher. Let's just call it that. This one, when you put it down and then you put it back up, sometimes it gets stuck. Sometimes it gets stuck. I think that's another I think they did it on purpose again. See, it gets stuck. And then see, it gets stuck. But on this one, it's just smooth. So I'll give it to this one for the light switcher. But overall, this one's winning so far. Next is the roller. This one it's black. It rolls nice, yeah. But the bumper right there for your finger is much bigger than this one. So, see, compare the size of the bumper. Yeah, that's a real big size difference. So, you got this one. And you got this one. So, overall, I think this one's better because one thing why it's better because it's rubber. Yeah, it's rubber. And when I mentioned today about the joystick, this is actually not rubber. It's actually plastic. Sorry guys, voice crack. So this is actually plastic, not rubber. The joystick. So just letting you know. Okay, so guys, that was the versus of the plastic fidget cube versus the rubber fidget cube. Just mainly like no different, but I don't think the price is different. So overall, I feel like this one's better. Yeah, the rubber one. So yeah, guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please get me to 50 subscribers by the end of this year. If you guys can make that happen, I will. Let me think about it. Okay. I'll do something cool. So then, okay. Please get me to 50 subscribers. And yeah, guys. And I might do a vlog on my GoPro or something. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that was it. And I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and do all that crap. Okay? And peace.